What's something people don't know about Valorant errors? Most of the time, it's not your aim, it's your system's security settings. Let's fix that together. First, let's check if Secure Boot and TPM 2.0 are already on. Hit the Windows key plus R, type msinfo32 and press Enter. Look for BIOS mode, it should say UEFI. Secure Boot state should be on. If not, hang tight. Now check TPM. Windows key plus R, type tpm.msc, and press Enter. You want the TPM is ready for use and version 2.0 showing. If either is missing, it's BIOS time. Restart your PC, mash the BIOS key, usually delete F2 or ESC. In BIOS, find settings for TPM, sometimes called PTT or FTPM, and turn it on. Then, find Secure Boot in the Boot or Security tab and enable it. Make sure you're set to UEFI mode, not Legacy. Save, exit, and reboot. Double-check everything the same way as before. Fire up Valorant. Error gone, GG. Still stuck? Update your BIOS or check your disk partition, but don't stress. You got this.